Yamampani Adom Akufo-Addo make Kasee ogina ne nan so wo mrahye bedwafiem said o man ye bobre etie no de ho nsam eto edwa waka nsam ahodo bebre Adom TV Kasee wo ho eto so.
Position is that inflation is currently rising. Monetary policy rate is also at 28%. Ghana cedi is at depreciated by 20% in January alone. Mr. President, unemployment is exceedingly high at the record levels. And as we speak, Mr. President, lending rate is at 40%. Mr. President, our economy is in tatters largely because it is self-inflicted. Your government inflicted it on us and failed to act. Mr. President, this is your scorecard. This is your scorecard. And this is the true state of our nation. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, and I second the motion.
Honorable members, I'm sure you now see the wisdom in my earlier statement restricted them to just move the motion for adjournment. You all know I was there before. Experience is the best teacher. I now put the question. As many as are in favor of adjournment, say aye. As many as are against, say no. Honorable members, I put the question again. As many as are in favor of adjournment, say aye. As many as are against, say no. Honorable members, today is International Women's Day. I want to take this opportunity to congratulate all our beautiful ladies here and all ladies in the world for partnering men to get us this far. I want to assure all the women that I am here for you. Honorable members, as a result of that, with the request of the women caucus leaders in Parliament, I approved a facility for all our women here to proceed tomorrow to reach out to all women in their constituencies and women everywhere in the world. Honorable members, this is part of the 30-year celebration, and I want all the men, honorable men here, to partner the women to make an impact this year. With this, I put the question again.
Enti wey eye mampani akasa wie no reactions ahodo mrashe bedafiem wote ye ebi eno no ye to so na ye ko ne nsam no bia wode atu dwa no mampani adodan kwakufu ado se na ban COVID-19 fund bia ni wa wo maye no nwonwura ye ne basa botaye nti a wo munya asasika no wo mudidi dwuma sade ye tie ne nsam no eni.
We dare not compromise on the safety and security of our nation. And my first responsibility as your commander-in-chief is to keep all of us safe. The foundation for all development is the safety and security of our nation and its people. The reality of the state of affairs in our neighborhood demands that the government goes to great lengths to ensure the security, safety, and stability of our nation. The threats of terrorism and violent extremism surrounding us require that we pay maximum attention to protecting our borders and working in collaboration with our neighbors to keep our country and the region safe. This is the prime motive for the Accra Initiative, which is already yielding results. Mr. Speaker, I'm able to cite here some of the equipment we have provided the military to help them protect us all. Allow me to list a few. The Army has received 104 armored personnel carriers, 70 utility troop carrying vehicles, 20 armored vehicles, 85 assorted Toyota vehicles,